Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We haven't done a video like this in a long time, and it is a long time coming since we did the original test. We're about to turn onto the M7 motorway in Sydney, Australia, which is a 100 zone highway, and we are going to give the 0 to 100 run again to see what times we get. So stats at the moment, car is on state of charge of about 96%. So I'll put a link up here in terms of the first video to show you guys what we got. I think off the top of my head, the first time we did this run, it was between 50 to 60% state of charge, and a lot of you guys said, oh, you know what, make sure you do it on higher state of charge because that's when you get all the power. So I charged it to 100% last night. I had to drive out a little bit this morning, and so now we are on 96% state of charge. I'll go through some of the other stats on the car: sport, comfort mode, chill mode, and so forth in a moment, and we'll give it a go. So we'll see you in a moment. Okay, so 100 zone in front. We're pulled over very safely on the side of the road. I'll do an overlay of the Racebox app over here so you guys can see. So we're going to select the 0 to 100. It'll find the GPS, and just a reminder, so this Racebox Mini, it's a 25 Hertz GPS. So essentially it refreshes 25 times per second, so extremely accurate. In terms of the settings, we've left the 1 foot rollout on or included, which is the same measurement that Tesla uses. So based on the website and I'll put an overlay or a picture up here in a moment, the estimation 0 to 100 for the Model Y performance is 3.7 seconds. From memory, the last time that we did it with 50 to 60% state of charge, it was about 3.8 or 3.81, somewhere in that vicinity, including the 1 foot rollout. So hopefully we get closer or lower before that, or below that, sorry, because at the moment we're on 96% state of charge, and I've got the camera here rolling on the consumption side of things. So you can see over here, at the moment consumption is what you can see there. Instant range on 10 kilometers, so far 168 watt hours per kilometer as the average. So we'll monitor from about this section when we give it a go. And that's just some drive stats over there you can see. So again, 96% state of charge. We've got the settings already. We've calibrated based on all of that. And then in terms of the car settings, acceleration is on sport, steering mode is on sport. We're not using track mode. So yeah, I think we are good to go. We just need to make sure it's all clear, and then yeah, we'll test it out. Alright, just waiting for a few more cars to pass, and then I think we should be on our way. Alright, here we go.
0 to 60 kilometers per hour, time 2.16 seconds. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, time 4.03 seconds.
Okay, so first one there, 4.03, and then looking at the stats over here on the screen, immediate consumption, you can see we've hit over 400, just over 400 watt hours per kilometer based on that drive over there. So we'll give it another go in a moment and we'll see what we get. Alright, here we go, round 2.
0 to 60 kilometers per hour, time 2.10 seconds. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, time 3.93 seconds.
So that looked like a 3.93. Okay, so that one was 0 to 60, 2.1, 0 to 100, 3.93. Max G4 0.77, and you can also see the stats of the 0 to 100 right here. We'll see if there's anything interesting on, nothing's in particular on the current drive. but consumption, you can see that it's well picked over 600 watt hours per kilometer for the instant range. Alright, we'll probably give it one last go to see if we can get any times quicker than the 3.93, and I forgot to mention what the other one was before. Let's jump back. So first run was 4.03, second run 3.93. Alright, so we'll just wait for a couple of final cars to pass, and then we'll give it the last go in sport, and we'll see what times we get. But at the moment, it seems like 3.93 is the figure compared to Tesla's 3.7 and what we originally got as the 3.8 from memory. And yeah, so we'll see. Let's go.
Zero to 60 kilometers per hour time 2.16 seconds. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour time 4.01 second.
Alright, so it seems like the most we could get in that run was 4.01. So I'll put the screen overlay of all three times or all three runs. That's based on sport mode. We didn't get the chance to test chill mode today, but we will do that at another time. So a recap for you all: we started about 95-96% state of charge. We gave it 3 runs up to 100, and it seems like the times we got was about 4.05, I think it was. I'll put all the overlays up again. 4.05, 4.01, 3.93 in total. So what that essentially means is we didn't get close to those figures. And then I guess just for context, I've still got the 2 child seats in the boot. I'm a fairly big guy, and then we've also got stuff in the boot. So perhaps we'll need to hit the racetrack in Sydney Dragway sometime soon. So if you guys are interested, let me know. I'm more than happy to contact Sydney Dragway and maybe organise an event where we could do some comparisons between the performance model, Model Y. If there's anyone out there that's interested, it'd be great if we could get the entire range of Teslas for an all-electric night. But yeah, let me know in the comments below. If you did enjoy this video, like and subscribe for more content. It obviously does help my channel go a long way. Thank you and welcome again to all the new subscribers, and yeah, we'll see you soon.